Good morning, students. Now, see all of you, page number 7. Today, I am reading remaining paragraph. So, all of you listen carefully. In democratic societies where there is a democracy already established there, the constitution often lays down rules. So, by the constitution, the constitutions in constitution we can see so many rules, regulations. Why? That guard means to protect, to control against this misuse of authority by our political leaders. Now, in our constitutions, there are so many rules, laws are there, and which they protect, they control against misuse of power by our leaders, by our representatives. These rules try to control over them. In the case of the Indian Constitution, now we are reading about the Indian Constitution, about it, about which you will read more later in this chapter. Now, about Indian Constitution, you will read more in detail in a remaining paragraph in this chapter. Many of these laws are contained in the section on fundamental rights. Now, we have to read one of the separate section about our fundamental rights. So that time you will read how many laws and which are these laws are contained in that particular section. Do you recall? Yeah, recall means remember. Can you remember? What? The chapter on the Dalit writer Om Prakash Valmiki's experiences in school from your class 7th book. Now, last year you have studied about Om Prakash Valmiki. He was one of the Dalit writer. When he was a young child, how he was discriminated in his school by his classmates and by his teacher. We talked about the discrimination Om Prakash faced because he was Dalit. Why he was discriminated by other students and by his teacher? Because he was a Dalit. He was a Dalit means he belonged to lower category. You read about how the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to equality to all persons. Now you read about how the Indian Constitution guarantees it means our Constitution, Indian Constitution provides guarantee to all citizens about our equality, right to equality to all persons. To all person means all Indian, and says that no citizen can be discriminated against on grounds of religion. On grounds of means on the basis of. Our Indian Constitution provides guarantee for the establishment of the equality, not to be discriminated anyone by others on the basis of religion, race, caste, gender, and place of birth. The right to equality is one of the fundamental rights. Now, we have to read about fundamental rights in a next paragraph. So, right to equality is one of our fundamental right. We have right to live equal with others by the Indian Constitution. So, our Indian Constitution provides this right to everyone. Now, remaining paragraph in next clip.